So today is Wagon Work installment number 2. It's gonna be like multiple days because we gotta paint and stuff, but got number 1 out here helping me out. It's all safetied up for sanding and painting and whatnot. This, if you remember, we took out the back seat. The back seat is actually at the shop right now being reupholstered. And we're gonna paint, well, this, we're gonna paint red. But these, for the seat, we're gonna do black. Making progress, getting rid of some rust. Hey, doing good, dude? You having fun? Yeah. You can lose the glasses if you don't like them. They're bugging you. They're falling off.
Don't let them fall off.
All right, a couple hours of sanding work. Number 1 dude and I got this pretty smoothed out. Got this thing smoothed out.
Wait, are we done?
This one as much as we could. This one's a little bit difficult because it's got all the pieces here, but about as smooth as it's gonna be. There, looks at paint. This is gonna be the inside anyways. This one here is the back of the back seat. So this one's got to be the nicest looking, but now it's time to go get some paint, some primer, some clear coat.
Are we gonna start painting today?
And make it look good. Got this kid loaded up. What are you gonna graffiti? That's a lot of paint for you, kid. So this is just the inside. I'm not too concerned about it, but still, I want to protect it from any rust coming back anytime soon. Doesn't need to be perfect, but I do still want to paint it black. I don't know why. In a sense, I'm just wasting black paint because it's gonna be covered by the seat, but whatever. I know it'll look good. So I got my seat back from the upholstery shop. This is the part that Oliver and I painted in the backyard. And there's the finished product of the seat. Pretty damn stoked at how this thing turned out. The black paint that Oliver and I did turned out pretty good looking too. Now it's time to get working on the car, get this bad boy cleaned up inside in here, painted. And we'll put this thing in, as well as the new seats.